Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to block adult websites on iPhone. And if you will find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, leave a like and comment down below. So what you will need to do to block the adult websites, so for example for your kid or for yourself, you will have to go to your settings, then you're gonna scroll down until you see screen time right here. And after this, you're gonna scroll down until you see content and privacy restrictions. Now, or from here, you will need to go to content restrictions. And after that, you can see here web content. So here it is, limit adult websites, or you can choose allowed websites only. So for example, you choose limit adult websites, and where it says never allow, you're gonna add a website here. And after you will add the website, this content will be blocked. So yeah, guys, that's how you limit and block adult websites on iPhone. And I will see you next time. Bye.